G'day, g'day. It's Friday afternoon here at Lucia Technic office workshop. One of the things I've had a lot of requests for a YouTube channel and a weekly update. So I thought, maybe I'll start doing something. So I'm just taking this video with the phone, so I apologise for any in advance for the quality of the video, but it is Friday afternoon, and I just thought I'll just do something, get something going. If you guys are interested in a regular update on some of the things that we find, they put it in the comments below, and I'll invest a bit of time and get a video set up and do regular updates. So you can also check on the Instagram account that I've set up recently as well, which is Lucia_Technic. So I'm throwing a lot of information up on there as well. So so this week it's been a really busy week. I've had a lot of repairs, a lot of assessments, some interesting stuff come through. Probably this week we've had a number of roof rack jobs where the bike's been on the roof, driven into the carport, garage sort of stuff. We've had derailleur hangers snap. Now, I'm not a real fan of the replaceable derailleur hangers. Let's just say the application and the way they're often executed. It's I've seen so many problems caused by those removable derailleur hangers when they're supposed to be there to save the bike from being damaged, but they actually cause the bike getting damaged. So typically what happens, the hanger breaks, and then the derailleur swings up and impacts usually the seat stay, or sometimes the chain stay as well, and you get a crack and a delamination occurring, and it's not a trivial repair often because the impact energy is quite high, and often there's a lot of graphics right in that area as well. So it makes the repair process a bit more time consuming, a bit more expensive really, because if you want to replace those graphics. So I think there's got to be a better way. The material that those replaceable hangers are often made of is really soft, cheesy aluminium. So some of the aftermarket ones are a better grade, and I've also heard of Pro Teams getting steel ones made to prevent any of that sort of inadvertent bending. So if you're transporting your bike a lot, you can just knock the derailleur and it'll bend the hanger, which will then put it out of alignment, which will then, when you really start cranking on it and changing gear, that's when it can fail. So it's not an ideal solution, and I think it's done in a lot of ways to ease manufacture. On the bikes I've built myself, on the road bikes, I've had full carbon, solid, non-replaceable hangers, derailleur mounts, etc. I've never had a problem with anything breaking. So it's one of those things. What else? We've had a few sort of funny things being found inside frames. I posted on Instagram a tag, like a quality control tag that was left in the frame. There was another frame which had something loose inside. You couldn't get access to it. Something rattling around in it. Now, noisy bikes are really annoying, I find. So to have something rattling around inside your bike is a bit of a pain. So and when you can't get to it, if it's a closed section, like often in a seat stay or some of the top tubes, you don't have access to it. It's in there, and there's not much you can do about it, apart from filling it with space invading foam or something like that, but not ideal. So yeah, what else did we have? We had a Trek Remedy where the lower pivot is disbonded, and that really poor design. Basically, they've just drilled a hole through the side of the carbon, and they just bonded this aluminium insert in. And there's such little bond surface area. You're just basically dealing with the wall thickness of the carbon around the circumference of the insert. So, yeah, far from ideal. Yeah, so I'm sure we're going to see more of those sorts of things failing. And I mean, that's one thing we do see a lot on mountain bikes. We see the pivots disbonding, and they are often done like that. It's almost like an afterthought. So, yeah. Anyway, that's it's Friday afternoon. I think it's time to knock off, and let me know in the comments if you're into some regular videos, and yeah, we'll see what we can do. So have a good weekend. Hope you get out on your bike. Safe riding if you do. Yeah, all the best. Talk to you soon. Bye.